Hello, and welcome to our second training of the West Virginia Family Survey Database, where we will be covering activity counts. FSC agencies or grantees are asked to enter monthly counts of specific activities and unduplicated participants. Only FSCs are asked to use the grantee data entry page and record activity counts in the database. So only FSCs will have a username and password to access the grantee data entry page. Once you enter your username and password, hit login, and select the button for activity counts. To add a new activity record, select the Add New Activity Form button on the right. To add a new activity, select the date of the activity. Select whether it was a one-time event, multi-session event, or an outreach activity. You will want to type in the activity name. So we'll put job prep as an example. You will select the activity type from the drop-down. And then you will select the protective factor that best fits this activity. You will also select the TANF purpose that best fits this activity. And again, you'll select these from a dropdown. You'll also type in the number of sessions held. So in this case, for example, we'll put 2. You'll want to put in the number of adults and the number of children. What's important to note here is that these numbers that you'll enter must be the unduplicated number. So maybe for this event, there were 6 adults that attended, but maybe for a job preparation activity, there weren't any children that were involved. So you can put 0 here. You also have a optional attendance notes box to help keep track of activity participants, which may help you best track which participants may be unduplicated. And then you'll hit save. To update an existing activity record, you'll select the current fiscal year and the month from the drop-down lists and select the search button. This will show you a drop-down of all of the activities that were recorded for the month of April. If you would like to update an existing activity record, you can select the Edit button next to the activity you want to update. For example, we have a multi-session activity in April for playgroup here. If I want to go in and add any sessions or number of adults and children, I'll select Edit next to this activity. And then I can update the information here. So if in April I had originally put that there were 2 sessions, I can go in and update if a 3rd session was added. And I can update the number of adults and children here. So maybe this increased to 22 and this increased to 46. And then I can hit save here. While participant and activity counts can be updated at any time, it's best practice to update them both at least weekly. In our next training video, we will be covering reports. And for any questions or concerns, please review our WV user guide or contact Jill Johnson at jijohnson@pcgus.com.